The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla. Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. Yes, me there again, you know. Big up and respect to each and everyone. And I want to say big up and respect to my viewers and subscribers within the country that is known as Guyana. Now, in this video, I'm going to present to you videos that have been recorded within the country that is known as Guyana. And the first video that I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show when a robber had been arrested by the police within the country that is known as Guyana. Or you could say that the video shows how a robber had been arrested by the police within the country of Guyana. Now, the incident happened sometime within the month of June, the year 2021. You see it? And informations about the incident are somewhat sketchy. However, if any of you, my viewers and subscribers, want more information about the incident, I'm going to ask you to check the comment section of this video down below, as I will leave a comment or comments giving you any confirmed informations or allegations that I get about the incident. Alright? Alright. Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Excellent job. I like Great job, brother. Great job. Great
Alright, I'm going to say this again. Informations about that incident shown in that video that I just presented to you are somewhat sketchy. So if you want more informations about the incident, you can check the comment section of this video, as I will leave a comment or comments giving you any confirmed informations or allegations that I get about the incident shown in that video that I just presented to you. Alright? Now with that, I'm going to move on to another topic. The next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a place within the country of Guyana that had flooded due to rainfall that happened within the country that is known as Guyana. I do not have any confirmed information as to when the video had been recorded, nor do I have any confirmed information as to exactly where within the country of Guyana the video had been recorded. The video shows inside and outside of a house that had flooded due to rainfall within Guyana. And even if you're not from the country that is known as Guyana, I'm presenting this video to you so that you can know what's going on. Alright? You can also let me know what you think about some of the things that have been shown and said in this video. And before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe. Alright, my people, big up and respect to each and every one. Just letting you know what's going on within Guyana, in recent times. Yes, I say, it's really sad. Yes, I say, it's really sad, and I hope that everything will turn out okay for those citizens who had been affected by floods within different places in Guyana. Yes, I mean, it's just sad, you know what I mean? It's just sad, you see. Alright, until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall. Skilla, big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall skilla.
Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla.